students, now I am going to start question number 1 of exercise 5.9. Now in question number 1 we have match the following. In first part we have cone. Now here we have been given some solid shape. We have to identify which one is cone out there. Now suppose this. What is it? It's an ice cream. It's an ice cream, right? So this is called cone. It looked like this, and when it inverted, it looked like this. A cone has one circular base and one curved surface. Okay? This is called vertex of the cone. So let us find where is this shape is given. See, it's here. So this is cone. Now coming to B part. In B part we have sphere. A sphere is a three-dimensional solid figure which is round in shape. It looks like this. Can you give an example of sphere? It can be ball. Ball is round in shape, right? Then it can be lemon. So these all are round in shape. So let us find where is sphere given. It's here. So this is number B. Now coming to cylinder. Now what is cylinder? Look at this. What do we call it? It's a candle, right? The base of the candle look like this. This is called cylinder. It has two plane circles, this and this. Okay, two plane circle, and this is the curved surface. Now let us find where is this shape given. It's here. So this is cylinder. Now coming to cuboid. Cuboid is a 3D shape with a length, breadth and height. Cuboid has 6 faces. See, here each face of a cuboid is a rectangle. Here each face is a shape of a rectangle. Let us join the corners. We'll be getting cuboid. So here these are called faces. The flat surface is known as faces. So if you count the number of faces, you'll be getting 6, and this is called vertex. This is the length. This is the width, and this is called height. So a cuboid has the shape of a rectangular box. So where is cuboid out there? It's this. This is a book. So book is an example of a cuboid, because if you see the book, it has 6 faces. These are called faces. Okay, the flat surfaces are called faces, and these are called edges. Okay, these are called edges, and these are called vertices or the corner. Pyramids, which we can see only in Egypt. It looks like this. Okay. Here we have 4 vertices. Okay. Here we have one base, which is in the shape of a triangle. It has 3 faces and all of them are triangle. Since its base is a triangle, so this is This is a triangular pyramid. Okay. If the base is square in shape, then we would call it as a square pyramid. Okay. So in a pyramid, base, this is called base. So base is a polygon. Polygon means a closed shape having line segment, right? So here base is in a pyramid, base is a polygon, and all other faces are triangles. Okay, so let us find where is pyramid. This, so here we can see that base is a shape of a triangle, so this is called triangular pyramid, right? So this is number E. Now we will have to give the two example of each shape. So two example of cone is an ice cream, and birthday cap. Birthday cap look like this, right? Okay, spear. Two example of spear is ball, orange, okay, marbles. Example of cylinder, it's pencil. Pencil is a shape of a cylinder. Pens and pipes. Okay. Now, cuboid. Example of cuboid are book, copy, okay, then pencil box, matchbox. Now example of pyramid. Example of pyramid are toys, tent, okay. So this was all about question number 1. Now coming to question number 2. Now in question number 2 we have what shape is your instrument box. Instrument box look like this. Since this is formed using rectangle, so this is a cuboid. So we have to write what shape is your instrument box. So it will be cuboid. Now in the B part we have a brick. Brick also look like this. Brick also formed like this using a rectangle. So this is also a cuboid. Now in the C part we have a matchbox, right? Matchbox also you all have seen, it looks like this only. So this is also matchbox, also look like this in the shape of a cuboid. Now road roller. What is road roller? Road roller is used to construct the road. And the machine which is used here look like this. So this is the shape of a cylinder. So we'll write cylinder here. And the last one is sweet laddu. Laddu look like this, round in shape. So that means this is a shape of a spear. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. So this was the last question of this exercise, and this was the last exercise of this chapter. If you have any doubt, any queries, leave a comment below. Okay, thank you students.